Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix my Instagram account not showing in search. So let's get started. So whenever you try to search your Instagram account, it will not show your account in this search feed. So you want to fix that problem. So to fix that problem, what you can do is just simply open up your Instagram account, then tap on your profile icon which is on the bottom right. After tapping on the profile icon, just tap on the three-bar icon which is on the top right, then just scroll down. And after scrolling down, inside your how others can interact with you section, you can find this option which is messages and story replies. Just tap on messages and story replies, then tap on message control. So after tapping on message control, now you can find this option which is control tool, and inside that allow access to messages. So if it's turned off, then turn it on. And after turning that option on, now it will recommend your account in the search feed, or it will show your account in the search. So that's it guys, this is how to fix my Instagram account not showing in search. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.